IT index has actually done rather well for itself. If you really look at the IT index, it actually hit a record high, and that's largely because of what's happening in the US market. So what Morgan Stanley is saying, I think it is in line with what the general market positioning is, which is that, look, when it comes to internet companies, that would include the Zomatos and the Policy Bazaars of the world, their earnings will grow. And Morgan Stanley is of the view that the P multiples will get supportive. If you're in a declining interest rate regime, growth companies will do well. So internet, I think, is the one which becomes internet, or that complex of companies, I think, will continue to outperform. IT, I fully agree with Morgan Stanley that the IT setup it's too early to say that worst is behind, or it's too early to say that the real upcycle in the IT business has started. These stocks have already seen a run up. So IT is no longer like this bombed out cheap space. It has been in contra trade from the May's low. IT index actually has pole vaulted more than it has outperformed the Nifty also from the May. I don't expect IT companies to come out with linear set of numbers. The sector got excited when we saw the Accenture numbers, and there was a bit of a contra money which was moving there. But my point is that there are far better choices in the market at the current juncture which give you a proposition. This comeback trade in IT, I think, was there last quarter when TCS indicated they are starting hiring, and when Infosys numbers were strong. So that surprise which did the trick for IT companies for the quarter gone by, that really may be the missing link. So that is where the setup is according to Morgan Stanley, and I fully agree that internet is where growth is. Menge stocks, they will sustain. IT is where the surprise was there, but the surprise is missing, and that market opinion stock derating, that's also over.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.